Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I will show you how you can change sound settings of your screen recorder. And first you have to open your screen recorder. Next tap on the settings icon. And when we are here we got the audio source. So as you can see, we can disable audio. We can go only for internal audio or for microphone audio. So you have to decide what you want to get. Unfortunately, in this smartphone we cannot record at the same time internal and the microphone audio. You can find this feature on the Samsung smartphones, but here you can only choose one of them. I will stay with the internal audio. After that, you can just simply go back. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.